Dzień dobry, kochani. Dzień dobry. We've got a morning breakfast, basically smacznego. And here is the restaurant situation, and outside is the circuit. Nice. I will show you around later. So today is Sunday basically, and that's behind. There are so many greens around and hills because Kielce is famous for the Suento Christi hills. And here on Sunday there are lots of trades coming on, especially at this area. This area is this one, you see. This one is the race. This one is for the racing track. And surround with this. And our hotel is exactly like this. This one is the restaurant. Damian is there. Nice. Wow. There are so many shops, and later in the afternoon will be busier. So this is how the Sunday market look like. You see, so busy. I think this one is the biggest Sunday market in Kielce. Yes, you see. Yes, they sell bread. They sell so many things.
We are staying inside the city.
Yes. So now, Damian gonna work on Sunday because it's just like an exhibition, right? Kohanya, you have to prepare that.
And when it's exhibition, and tomorrow is client day because exhibition start on Tuesday. Tomorrow we're giving up the project. So last weekend there is no mercy. You have to be on spot.
Yes.
Yeah. So,
But look at this green lush.
yeah, nice road.
Right?
Yeah.
Nice road and green. Everywhere is green. Nice. We are in the area of the Plac Wolności here in Kielce. This lady just said "Dzień dobry" to me. And here is the building surround the Plac Wolności. This is the center in the Kielce. Nice. So we had our breakfast this morning in the hotel, and Damian straight forward actually dropped me in the area of Kielce center. And then again I will explore the city by myself while Damian is working because of, you know, like working in the Target company where the events gonna happen like in a few days. You really have to look after every single details before, you know, the events happening. And what I can say that the Kielce center here, the Plac Wolności, is very interesting. Many things is actually are here basically, and what I can say that the building, the Kamienica style is not like the one in Poznan where 4-story building, you know. This here only 2 or 3-story building, and at the bottom is the shop. So this is how it looks, the city center. It feels like people here in Kielce, they have a slow living life, and yeah, it's not that a very fast life like in a big city like in Poznan. And I didn't see also the tram here, the public transportation that I see, only the bus. We were there actually, and now next to it, beautiful green park, just like this. So this is monument, basically historical things. We were there before in the park, and right in front of me here is the big cathedral church. So yesterday we were here and in the morning already busy with the prayer, mass prayer, and now I would like to explore this way. So that's the cathedral over there, and I think this area is the museum area, and here is another museum and also the church. So it's Sunday, means like many people are going to the church. So let's keep walking, and I think in front of me here is another garden, and look at the city. It's nice. So the public transportation, the bus like this, there is no tram here. The main transportation only bus and also taxi, just like for example this museum. Oh, swear from very old time, and surround just like this. Now we are in the front of the cathedral church. I think that many people already out for the mass prayer in the morning. Nice. We come back again to the plage where the fountain, and here next to it is a like a garden. It's nice, green garden. Here is the map of the Kielce. Let's put a tick list where we have been so far. Number 1, this one already, this one already, and the Rinek Market Square already. This one we are here. I don't know where it is. I think that we were here. We were there yesterday. Tak. And here, yes, I think today we're there. And now we are here in the art exhibition behind me. And here, botanical garden. And here, let's see. Here, museum, history museum. I think that we pass it. Oh, look, Targi Kielce. So Damian is here today in the building working. And here some of the attraction. I think this one is the outside of the city center. I was here this morning, and here passing this one. So yeah, that's the thing. This one I'm not sure, and this one are also I'm not sure where it is. So we come back again in Sienkiewicz Street. Actually this one is the main attraction of the walking street in the Kielce. And what I can say here, it's really like quiet. It's not like in Poznan obviously. And here it's very slow living. Yeah. What interesting me is just like walking and this walk path. Look at the small river here, so clean, even some of the duck and the birds. And here I think that this is the complex of the modern apartment building, yes. And down there is many nice restaurant, I think so. So it's just like this walking street, right? So many nice bar or restaurant over there. Let's see. So that's over there is the park actually, and here I don't know what's the name of the street. Seems like this area is like Eat Street. You see Korean, Japanese restaurant, and here Cinkalnia Restauracja Gruzinka, and you see like apartment on the top and restaurant on the bottom, like this sushi restaurant. And over there is for the bicyclists. Here is for the walking street. Yeah, just like this restaurant. Probably I will check the menu and how it is. I haven't got time to edit my video today, and I found really nice coffee shop with the aircon and then surround me like this. So this is my lunch actually, bagel with salmon. This one, look, it's hot bagel with salmon, and then hot tea with the lemongrass. Smacznego. I really like this place. It's cool. It was a very nice lunch, and yes, this area is actually like so many restaurants there. And here, nice. I think in front of me this one is a hotel, but seems like, I don't know, it's quiet. So many deep building development here, many also brand new building apartment. And here is the Centrum parking. That's the fountain. It's nice, but I can say that it's nice for cooling off yourself. So I come again to the Rinek because this one is the center basically, and the action is here, especially on Sunday, where everything I think closed, mall closed, everywhere is closed except the restaurant here in Rinek. Well, actually that we are here for 4 days, and what I can say then, Kielce is basically the capital city of the Świętokrzyski state here in Poland. And yeah, this is the center. So here is a little bit the explanation of the Rinek or the market square. Yeah, it is based on my experience cafe hopping. And in the price wise, the price is actually almost the same with the pricing in Poznan or Wrocław, tourist city, but the main attraction here is just like this. There are no colorful kamienica like in Wrocław and Poznan. And yeah, so on Sunday basically there are local residents that coming here and visiting, I guess. So it's nice. Not many overcrowded tourists coming here. Kielce is actually, this area is famous for the mining limestone. And what I see is that the building is just typically like a blocks, square box like that. I couldn't see any kind of the miniature that we have in Poznan or Gdansk or Wrocław. But yeah, this is how it looks in Kielce, because I think Kielce is also famous for the fair trade and yeah, something like that. So just because today is international fair on defense, so many people are coming, I think, and Damian would like to share you about what's update on his work. So this is actually how it looks, the city center. Ooh, interesting. There is one Thai Bali spa here. Nice. That's behind. Interesting. This is how it looks, the city center on Sunday. So quiet. That in front of me is the building of Politechnika Świętokrzyska. So this is how it looks actually, and surround the traffic situation. Yeah.